Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing concept. Here we have taken two examples. So let us start now. In the first case we have to subtract 25 from 62. In ones column we have 5 and here 2. So can we subtract 5 from 2? No, because 5 is greater than 2. Here, since 5 is greater than 2, we cannot subtract 5 ones from 2 ones. But how we'll do that? So, we will borrow 110 from tens column. So, if we borrow 110 from tens column, so 6 will become 5 because it will be reduced by 1, and this 110 will be added here. So 110 will be adding with 2. So 110 means 10. So 10 plus 2 will become 12 here. Now from 12 we have to reduce 5. So if we deduct 5 ones from 12 ones, we will have 7 ones in hand. So we'll put 7 in one column. But here we have 2 tens, here it is 5 tens. So if we subtract 2 tens from 5 tens, we will have 3 here. So 37 is the answer here. In the same way, here also 9 is bigger than 7. 9 is bigger than 7. So we'll follow the same process here. Since 9 is here, 9 is bigger than 7. So we cannot deduct 9 from 7. So what we will do, in the same way, we will borrow 110. So if we borrow 110, so 5 will become 4 and 110 will be added here. So 7 plus 10, that is 17, it will become 17. Now we have to deduct 9 ones from 17 ones. So the result will be 8 ones. So we put 8 in ones column. Here we have to deduct 3 tens from 4 tens. So we will have 1 10. So 18 will be the answer here. Students, I hope you have understood the concept. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody for your patience hearing.